How to use Samsung TV without remote. First of all, look towards the bottom middle part of your TV screen there where it has the Samsung logo. Underneath it, you should see a little power button. If you just press and hold that, it will turn on. And then if you press and hold it again, once the TV is on, it will turn off. So that's simply how it's done there. But if you want to do a few more different things, you want to go ahead and just press it once. And then you should see towards the bottom of the screen there, you press it once for the control menu. Then that's going to go ahead and bring up this thing here where you can see channel up, channel down, up, volume down, and source. So if you want to just press it, it will move to the right. Then you can go along and then press and hold if you want to select one of those things. So if you want to just do a channel up, you want to move that up on your TV, then just go ahead and press and hold it, and then it will keep on going up. And the same thing with volume, and you can also click the source to then do different things on there. That's how it's done like that. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.